If you want your WordPress site to look polished and consistent, mastering global styles with Elementor Theme Style is an absolute game changer. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to customize your entire website's look using Elementor's Theme Style panel, so you can save time, maintain a unified design, and give every page a professional touch, even if you're not a designer. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to access the Theme Style panel. Open up any page or post and jump into edit mode with Elementor. On the left side of your screen, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, kind of like a little hamburger menu. Give that a click. From the drop-down, choose Site Settings. Now you'll see a section called Theme Style. This is where all the magic happens. Theme Style lets you set defaults for your site's typography, buttons, images, form fields, and overall background, so you don't have to repeat work or worry about inconsistent design. Let's start by setting up your global typography. Click on the Typography tab under Theme Style. Here, where you can tweak pretty much every type of text you use, body, copy, links, and all levels of headings, from big, bold H1s to smaller H6s. Take your time here, choosing your fonts, adjusting the size, the weight, the color. This is how you build a consistent voice for your website, visually speaking. For example, you might want all your headings to use a clean, modern font in a particular brand color, while your body text stays more subtle and readable. Any choice you make in this panel becomes the default everywhere, unless you've specifically overridden it on an individual element. So this is both a huge time saver and a really effective way to keep things harmonious. Next, let's bring that same consistency to your buttons and forms. Head back to Theme Style and select Buttons. Here, you're in control of how every button on your site appears. Think of it as setting the energy for user actions like Buy Now or Send. You can tweak the typography, choose your default background and text colors, adjust padding for a chunkier or slimmer look, and even set borders. Don't forget to check how your changes affect different button states like hover or active. Little touches here go a long way. Afterward, repeat the process for form fields. If you've got contact forms or newsletter signups, these settings ensure everything matches perfectly, creating a smooth, trustworthy experience for your visitors. Now let's look at images and backgrounds. Under Images, you have options to add borders, adjust border radius for rounded corners, or set box shadows for extra pop. Even subtle changes here can unify the feel of all your photos and illustrations. Think of it like giving your whole site a consistent frame for every picture. For the background section, you can set a global background color or even a gradient that shows up site-wide. This can really help tie your pages together, especially if your current theme leaves things a bit bland. Once you're satisfied with how things look, Elementor makes it easy to review your work. Try switching between draft and publish modes, or use the history feature to backtrack if you need to. And when you're ready to make it all live, just click that green Update or Publish button at the bottom of the panel. Don't worry if you change your mind later, you can always come back and adjust, and that's it. With just a few global tweaks, your WordPress theme will look coordinated, professional, and truly your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or want to share which styles you're excited to try, leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe for more hands-on WordPress and Elementor tips. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.